Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let us solve this question. It's under the complex number. So we have to apply the Morse theorem, okay? Now find half plus half I raised power what? 10. This I, it means what? Complex number, okay? It's complex number, right? Now to solve this one and recall, I can see we have my R to be what? So absolute value of this one to be what? Now we have this one be what? Half everything was square plus what? Half everything was square, okay? Now here now we can have 1 over 4 plus what? 1 over 4 square root, right? Now this one will give us what? We can have, this one will be what? LCM is what? Is 4, right? Now this one will be what? 2. That's it. We are going to have what? Half, right? So this is what we have. Here now I can see 1 over what? Root 2. That is, we can rationalize this one, right? Now this one will give us what? Root 2 over what? 2. Okay, we are done with this one. Now let me find the angle. Recall that we also have z to be what? A plus what? Bi. Now I want to calculate what? My what? Tan theta. Now my tan theta will be what? We can have b over what? Over a, right? My b here is what? This half here. Sorry, my a here is what? My a is what? Half. Put it here. Also, my my b is what? Sorry, my a is what? Is half. Similarly, my b is also what? Half. Yes, I got it right. Now dividing everything by half, this one will give us everything is supposed to be what? 1, right? Now I can say tan theta now is equal to what? 1. Here now I can see, let me find the what? Theta. Theta can be tan 1, which is equal to what? 45, right? That is equivalent to what? Pi over what? 4. Take note. Now to proceed now, don't forget that what? We are to apply the Morse theorem here. Look at this value here. We have my z raised power n, z raised power is equal to what? R raised power n into what? Cos n per n theta plus what? I sin theta. I sin n theta, okay? Now, if we can look at this one very well, you can see that my n is what? My n is what? Is 10, right? And my r is what? My r is, we have gotten our r here, take note. My r is root 2, yes, root 2 over what? 2. And my theta is what? Is pi over what? Over 4, okay? Now, half plus what? Half I raised power what? Raised power 10. This one is equal to what? Root 2 over 2. Everything raised power what? 10 into cos. My n is what? So my n is, sorry, my n is 10. Okay, my n is 10. We have this one is supposed to be what? 10 times what? Pi over 4. Put it here. Plus I into what? Sine. My n is what? Is 10. 10 times what? Pi over what? 4. Okay. Now we can have here now. Now, when you look at this one now, let me just write this thing. This one will be what? Root 2 raised power what? 10 over what? 2 raised power what? 10, right? Into this one will be your cos what? This one can be what? 10 pi over 4 plus I sine 10 pi over what? Over 4. Okay. Now we can have this one can be what? 2 raised power what? Half times what? 10. This one will be what? 2 raised power what? 10. This one can be what? Cos 5 pi over what? 2 plus sine 5 pi over what? Over 2. Okay. Now this one can be what? We can have here to be a 2 raised power what? 5. Okay. Over what? 2 raised power what? 10. Right. 2 raised power 10. This one will be what? Now look at this. I can say cos. This one can be cos 5 times what? Pi over what? Over 2. Okay. Plus what? Sine what? 5 times what? Pi over 2. Now, here now we can have this one cancel. You're going to have what? 1 over what? 2 raised power 5 here. Okay. Now, if we can look at this one, recall that what? My pi is equal to what? 90 here. So, if I want to what? Simplify this thing further, and cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is what? 0. Everything here will what? Vanish here. If you take that, okay, this one will what? 0 plus. Don't forget that what? Sin 90 is what? Sin 90 is what? Is 1. If you just what? Take this one to angle and find it, that is, this one will be what? Pi is what? Don't forget that what? My pi is what? Is 180. If you punch your calculator, you're going to get what I'm saying here. Okay. So 1 over 2 raised power 5 is what? Is 32. 1 over 32. 2. The final answer is what? 1 over 32i. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share. Bye.